Sir, shall we start, sir? Sir, shall we start?
Ma'am, you're asking me?
Yes, sir.
I'm ready, madam. I'm ready. No problem. Anytime we can start.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Let's start.
Okay.
A warm welcome to all of you. I'm very happy to invite you all for the second session. Today, we have Mr. Arun Kumar, trainer, Nehru Corporate Placement and Industrial Relationships, on the topic Industry Awareness. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Now, I invite Ms. Alamelu Mangai, Senior Instructor, AME and AMT, Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences, to introduce our resource person. I welcome you, ma'am. Alamelu Mangai, ma'am, I welcome you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Is it audible, ma'am? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah, madam.
Good morning. Good morning and warm welcome to all. I am Alamelu Mangai, Senior Instructor, Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Science. I find immense pleasure in introducing our chief guest, Mr. Arun Kumar, trainer in CPR. He completed his UG from Bharatiyar University and he completed his PG in Ahmedabad University. Yes, sir. He worked he worked as administrator in Bimetal Bearings Limited from the year 2004 to 2007. In the year from 2007 to 2012, he worked as process coordinator in QFirst Technologies Private Limited. In the year 2013, he done freelancing in soft skill training for corporate and training institutions. From the year 2016, he is working in our NGA as soft skill trainer. Sir, I welcome you for this session, sir. Thank you, sir. Over to MOC.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the nice introduction. Now over to you, sir.
Yes, madam. Thank you very much, Vasiki madam and Alamelu madam also. Thank you very much. And thank you for HOD sir, Singarwali Udal sir, for giving me this opportunity. And a great thanks for Balaji sir, who has always been a great support for us whenever we approach him for any needs on training. Thank you, everyone. And before starting the session, I even would like to thank you, all my students who are sitting here. Thank you very much for assembling for the session. So maximum, I'll try to be informative and also engaging you without boring you people. Maximum, I'll try my limit. Okay. And good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Just thank you, because I was waiting for a response. Only one person is there.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Vanakkam, sir.
Good morning, sir. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Not good.
Good morning, sir.
Fine. And students, at present, hello. Students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And people, don't strain yourselves in typing something in your chat box. I would always like people to interact. Don't keep on typing. It's a very good practice. Typing speed, if it is good, you will get a good job, but not here. I want you people to be interactive. Okay. Rather than typing good morning, I would be very happy if you say good morning. Thank you for that. Don't strain yourself in typing something in the chat box. Okay. And are you people in your home now or somewhere else?
Home, sir.
Home, sir.
Home, sir.
In home.
Home.
Home, sir.
Okay.
Home, sir. Home, sir.
sir.
So even yes, thank you very much. See, even I am sitting in my home. Okay, so that is the reason I could display myself to you, because you don't know whether who's the person who's taking the class. I always believe that one-on-one conversations and direct conversation makes a lot of effect. But because of this pandemic, we are not supposed to do that. So we are sitting in a remote place. But I think we can see each other, which might be a better practice. That is why I am visualizing myself. I've turned on my camera. What about you people? Is it possible? Hello?
Sir, are you asking us to turn on
Students, are you there?
and turn on our video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then turn on your videos, no? Turn on your cameras.
Sir,
Come
now
on. Let me see how many of
visible,
you
sir.
can do that. Beautiful. Udit Narayan.
Yes, sir.
Superb. A great singer. Fine. Amrita. Yes. Sai Dharni. Beautiful. Good man. Very good. Come on. Yes. Vicky have come. Vicky, your full name is Vicky or what? Yes, people, come on. Don't make delays in this. We would like to go into the sessions. At least say yes or no. If you can't do that, again I'll go back to the sessions, because I want you people to be interactive and visible. So even you people are new to each other, no? Yes or no?
Go back to the session, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, extremely sorry. I just now.
Why you can't switch on your video? Very good reply. See, when you people, that is what I'm talking about. See, you people are even new. You don't know each other. So if you could switch on your video, because we don't know for how long time we are remote mode like this online classes. So develop a rapport, develop a friendship between you people, so that when you can see each other, it might be much better for developing a friendship, for developing an understanding between you people. You are going to be sitting in the same room for about 3 years going to be. So I think that would be better. Okay, I leave it to you. Let us not waste time on that. It would be great if you can switch on your videos. Okay, then going into the session. You know what is the topic for today's session for us? Yes or no?
Industrial awareness.
Yes, sir.
Industrial awareness.
sir.
Industrial awareness.
Industrial awareness, sir.
Awareness. Okay, okay. So what is that industry is all about? What industry we are talking about? Sorry, going to talk about.
Aviation industry.
Which industry?
Aviation, sir.
Aviation industry. Okay, so it is very sure that all you people are focused towards the industry called as aviation. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. People, make sure of one thing. I'll be troubling you a lot in interactions. I want you people to be speaking a lot. Okay. If you allow me to speak for the complete session, I promise you it will be boring for you. So better you speak. Okay. I want it to be an interactive session. Done. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Kadir.
sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right. And where is Jagan? I saw a person, some name called as Jagan. He was very active in the chat box.
Sir, he is
Because I was
Janagan.
there from the last session. Janagan, sorry, Janagan. Where is he?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Okay, we lost him. Good morning, Janagan, because I saw you are very active in the chat box. So the
Yes.
same I want you to be here. Okay, be interactive. Don't depend on the chat box. Talk to me. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, so aviation. The question which I'm going to give you now is might be a very bored question, maybe for this long sessions of your, you might be having 15 to 16 sessions now. All the sessions people could have been asked you this question. I don't know how much has been asked, but I repeat the same question. Why you people have selected this course? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Hello, students, respond please.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I'm Mariam.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, basically, I like aviation when I was in class 10th. I want to do aeronautics, but I'm unable to do it,
Okay.
so that I took BBA in Airlines and Airport Management.
Very good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Kadir, you have to tell something. Abhinesh Abhi, join Air Force. Thank you very much, but I don't want you to respond through chat box. Unmute your mic and speak.
Sir.
If you are a person able to speak, yes.
Sir. Sir, I'm Sugnesh, sir.
Yes, Sugnesh, tell me.
Sir, I want to know about large amount of aeronautics, sir, so that I was selected.
Okay, that is why you have selected this course.
Yes,
Okay, very good.
Sir,
Sir, I'm Gokul.
Then Gokul.
Sir,
Yes,
because
Gokul.
it's one of the growing industries in the India. It has a great
Growing
future.
industry.
It's having a great future,
Okay,
sir.
it has a very.
So I selected this course, sir.
So you have selected that.
Yeah,
So
sir.
we can understand that Gokul is also going to have a very good future. Very good, Gokul. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
So my name is Raswin.
Yes, Raswin.
We love to do job in aviation industry because India will be one of the hub, more important hub in aviation industry by 2025. So there will be more job opportunities and all.
Very good. Nice planning. Anybody else who would want to share your views on this?
hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
I'm Geeta, and I have no idea why I took that, but I'm just quite interesting to know about it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Very good. Almost the answer is like, because I was waiting, like people always, when we ask students why you selected this course, no, 50% of the answers will be like, sir, I did not do that. My parents asked me to take this. So I'm happy. I've not got any answers like this. Very good. But Geeta, I think your answer is a bit suspicious. We'll discuss about it. No problem. Yes, Janagan.
Sir, I am Janagan, sir. So my
Hi,
aim
sir.
is to become a business magnate, a business person,
Business magnate. Okay.
a billionaire.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't take this course for my wish. For becoming a business magnate, we need lot of contacts with other businessmen, as well as we need attitude for that. So this job will, this job required that which I need to, for that billion.
Okay. Good. I think Janagan is a bit different and is focused. Very good, Janagan, because even I was worried about that. When we talk about aviation, no, you need to be having that attitude. Damn sure. Because I was there with Paramount Airways for about 2 years in my career. I was working with Paramount Airways as a guest relation officer. So you need that attitude, never-ending attitude that need to be there. And one more additional.
So communication skill and your attitude is very much for this course. Very much needed for this.
Very good. Yes. That need to be there. But I would say communication and attitude is needed for anything in this world, any job.
Yeah.
But particularly when you talk about aviation, it need to be damn good. Maybe like 10 times higher you need to have comparing to the other fields. Why? Because you are going to provide them a service which is very luxurious. Because
Sir, it is
from here to
international
Chennai, if you
service.
travel in a train, not only international privilege, Janagan, you need to understand one thing. See, the customers which you're going to face in this industry, you might be a ground handling person, you might be a, who might know, you are going to be a billionaire, you might be an aviation company owner tomorrow. So,
Yeah,
all
and
these things, wherever you are, the customers whom you are going to face in this industry are to be taken or given much of prestige and pride. Why? Because for a travel which is not more than 500 rupees, for example, from Coimbatore to Chennai, if you go in a train, it is not going to be more than 500 rupees, for which they are spending a lot when they take a flight. So you need to give them those facilities and privilege. So that is why aviation industry will be always called as a prestigious industry, and very great congratulations that your people are going to be a part of that. But as you told, you need a lot of attitude for that. You will develop that, no problem. But my doubts are like, how come my students who are looking forward to an industry like this, but they are not ready to even turn on their videos sitting in a home to talk to a person? Then where is that attitude? Janagan sir.
Sir?
Sir?
Yes. You spoke about attitude. Where is that attitude? I'm not saying anyone. I told you also, I want you to turn on your videos, but I could not see anyone. Very good.
Sir, on my
Mariam has
video.
switched on the video. Very good. And I want to be the same until the session ends, because this is the starting of your attitude. This is what the attitude needs to be done.
Sure,
You need not to hesitate for doing anything. Speaking to someone.
Sure,
that
sure.
need to be there. Damn hard that needs to be there. Very good. Very good. What about others?
Thank you, sir.
Very good, madam. Yes, Amrita is back. Good. Initially, she started turning on the video, but suddenly went off. Ajjo, yarum panla na mattum panna enna agradhu appadina. Okay.
No, the
Madam,
network
don't.
issue, sir.
Network issues. That is a very simple word. Very good. See, normally in olden days, now it has become olden days. Before this pandemic, when we were in classes, now when we take regular classes, whenever a student is late in the morning, there'll be only two reasons. If they are a day scholar, they'll say that sir bus late. If they are a hostler, they say that sir mess late. There are only two options. Either a bus should be late or a mess should be late. No time that he'll be late. He's a person who is very perfect, but always the other people are late. So I don't say Amrita's answer is something like this reason. Might be a real technical issues also, but still that should not be there. Okay, good. Now I'm happy. I can see many people turning on videos. Sharath. Sharath, I think you can take care of your video. It is like upside down. Just see that. Pin your login and see that your video is upside down. Make it correct. Okay. Then, when I'm talking about the industry, see, I was there in the industry for 2 years and I got trained because I was a person who was from MBA finance. My background was something different. And because as you people told, I'm a bit very interested about this aviation industry because there is another name for this industry. I don't know whether you people know it or not. Aviation industry is always called as the glamorous industry in this world. That industry, we call it as glamorous industry because always very good dressing, grooming a bit in a nice manner, having a blazer, being in airports, talking with many good people, many high privileged people. All these things makes you people look and feel pride. That is why this industry is called like that. So, and I want you people to carry out all those essence and attitudes when you move out from here. And I can assure you, you can do that because this is a part of training and I'm going to travel with you for the complete 3 years. I'm going to be a trainer Possibly, I will not move to any other job in this 3 years. So I think I can be with you for this 3 years, no doubts for it. So I would feel this is a starting place where we are going to start working together. So now I want you people to tell something to me. What are all things you expect from this industry? Now you told me why you have selected this industry. Now I want you people to talk what things you are expecting from this industry. Both questions are different. I think you can understand that.
So I need more attitude by working in this industry because as a Muslim, we don't have attitude basically. But working on it, I have to gain more and more attitude because I love to being attitude because those are the main reason I'm choosing that industry.
Very good, madam. You are already very good in attitude. Don't worry. Yes, Janagan, come on.
The manners.
Okay, manners. Very good. Then,
sir, I need some adventure.
Adventure, man. You need to be taking care of your passengers very well, man. You're talking about adventures. I'm afraid. Give them a safe flight.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay. Good. Very good. Nice answer. A different answer. Very good. And your name, man? I could not pronounce your name.
My name is Winston.
I'm too much worried. Winston. Okay. Thank you. Because I always feel that we should not pronounce the name in a wrong manner. That is a big mistake. Initially, I pronounced like Janagan. I told Jagan. Even I feel sorry for it. Winston. Very good, Winston. A different answer. Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, people, come on, speak, no? Luxurious job, very good. Yes, this is what even I am talking about. Can you explain how it becomes luxurious? What is in your mind? Let us discuss about it.
Sir, basically, airline jobs are, how can I tell?
You can tell in whatever way you like. See, I'm not concerned about language. Yes, English is a common business language. We need to have that. No problem. More than that, I want you people to be communicable. Now I want to talk to you. That's it. Comfort job. Jeffrey, if I'm not wrong, your name is Jeffrey?
Yes, sir.
Jeffrey, can you tell me how you feel this job is comfortable? Jeffrey, don't hesitate, man. Summa solunga. I'm not your academic person. Naalik nee class ku va unai pesikira appadina na solla maten. I'm a trainer, man. Come on. Feel free. Yes, students.
Sir, job is like more like to live our life. So it's if we get more skills by learning this aviation, it would be good, and we would get a job and then work.
Yes. I think this is also a better answer. Nakul Dev, thank you. You say that job is like my life. Life is something which is very much close to the job. So I want to be comfortable and satisfied where I'm working. Very good, man. Even that is the reason why I'm sitting here. I always enjoy doing training. Good.
So we can get more.
Yes, Sibiraj. Can you come again?
We can get more interaction.
Hi, sir.
Interaction with whom, Amartha?
With the passengers and everybody who ever comes to the airport.
Okay, I like that word. Rather than telling customers, you call them as passengers. Good. But naturally, your aviation company will definitely we need to love, no doubt. And but basically, your aviation industry or aviation company where you're going to work, no, they'll train you on calling them as customers. Okay. Good. Yes, Sibiraj, come on. You're supposed to say something.
Sir, I have no expectation from the industry. I like join aviation. My childhood dreams only.
Okay. Okay. How come it becomes childhood dreams? What happened actually?
My father is a business strategist. நிறைய இடத்துக்கு போவாங்க. நமக்கு அங்க ஏர்போர்ட்டுக்கு போய் ரைட்டா எங்க அப்பா நம்மளும் போவோம், நம்மளும் இந்த இடத்துல வேலை பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து ஒரு ஆசை தான் எனக்கு. இங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு வேலைக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு இதுக்கு போல நான் வந்து பைலட் ஆகணும்னு தான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப நாள் ஆசை. 12th முடிக்கும் ஒரு கமர்ஷியல் ப்ராப்ளம் மாட்டி என்னாட்டி அங்க ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியல. அதனால சரி ஏஎம்இ சூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்னு சூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்.
ஓகே, வெரி குட். அப்ப சின்ன வயசுல நிறைய உங்களை ஏர்போர்ட் கேட்டோட துரத்தி விட்டுருக்காங்க. தட் மேக்ஸ் யூ டு மேக் சம்திங் a profession like you can enter into the airport.
Yes sir.
Very good, nice. Super man, very nice and presented very well. I like your boldness. Good. Yes, Prabha. And people who are very
அந்த மாதிரி சைல்ட்ஹுட்ல ஃளைட்ல போகணும், அங்க வர்க் பண்ணணும், அந்த ஸ்டைல் எல்லாம் பார்த்தா எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் சார்.
Very good, came to the point. Okay, nice. Nothing wrong in it. அப்படிதான் இருக்கணும். Everything is like that.
அப்புறம் எங்க பெரியப்பாக்கு
எஸ் மேடம்,
எங்க பெரியப்பாக்கு நான் ஏர்போர்ட்ல வேலை பார்க்கணும்னு அவருக்கு ஆசை இருந்துச்சு சார். அப்படி இறந்தாரு. ஸோ அவரோட ஆசையை நிறைவேற்றணும்னு சொல்லி நான்
okay, very good. You will do that, madam. Don't worry,
sir.
Don't worry. Yes, come on.
சார், நான் எதுக்கு இத சூஸ் பண்ணேன்னா, எனக்கு வந்து ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் ரொம்ப எடுக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் சார். அதாவது நம்ம இப்போ அந்த ஜாப்ல இருக்கோம்னா எத்தனை பேசஞ்சர்ஸோட லைஃப் நம்ம கையில இருக்கும், அந்த தாட்டோட ஒர்க் பண்ணணும் சார்.
Very good, beautiful. Taking responsibilities. Beautiful answer, man. Nice.
Thank you sir.
Yes, thank you. Your name? Seen Rahul, huh?
Yes sir.
Okay, Seen Rahul. Okay. Yes.
Good morning sir.
Basit.
Yes sir.
Yes
sir. ஏவியேஷன் ஜாப்ன்றது வந்து அது ஜாப் மாதிரியே தெரியாது சார். அது ஒரு மாதிரி ஜாலியா போயிடும். இப்போ ஈவன் நம்ம எங்கேயாச்சும் டிராவல் பண்ணாவே நமக்கு வந்து டைம் போறதே தெரியாது. இது வந்து டோட்டலா வந்து அந்த மாதிரி ஃபீல்டு தான். நமக்கு வந்து வேலை பார்க்குற மாதிரியே தெரியாது. அப்படியே டைம் போயிடும், நமக்கு ஷிஃப்ட் முடிஞ்சிடும். ஐ கேன் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணது.
Okay, good.
Sir.
Right.
Good morning.
Yes. Yes.
This is Rasika Beham.
Good morning. And your name, madam?
Rasika Beham.
Rasika Begum. Yes, tell me, madam.
Actually, எனக்கு சின்ன வயசுல இருந்தே ஃளைட்னா ரொம்ப பயம் சார். இது வரைக்கும் எல்லாருமே ஃளைட்ல போக சொல்லி டிக்கெட்லாம் போட்டு கூட நான் போக முடியாது அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு அடம் பிடிச்சிருக்கேன். I just want to overcome that fear.
Okay, tell me.
I just want to overcome that fear.
Wow, madam, how come it is fair, you know? உங்களுக்கு ஃளைட்ல ஏறதுக்கு பயம், you want to overcome that fear, அதுக்காக பாசஞ்சர்ல ஏத்தி விட்டு கீழ இருந்து வேடிக்கை பார்க்கறதா?
No.
What is this, madam?
நான் அந்த என்னோட
இது எந்த ஊர்ல? It is really not fair.
இது என்னோட எய்ம் தான். இந்த கெரியர் வந்து சூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து இதுல இருந்து பெஸ்டா வெளிய வந்து போல்டா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு எய்ம்.
அடுத்தவங்கள வச்சு டெஸ்ட் பண்றது குட் ஐடியா.
நோ,
வெரி குட், I appreciate it. But still I think you are exploring it in a different way. Nice, no problem.
Thank you sir.
And okay, and thank you, madam. Thank you. Students, see, why I was talking to you all these things is because we call this something that is, yes, there is someone to speak.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, because I always believe. Good morning.
Sir,
Who is that?
today in this field, aviation industry is growing day by day, sir.
Okay.
Many prefer to take the transport airlines. We are growing our economic
Okay.
so many prefer to join in take transport of airlines. So it's a good job, sir.
Yes, definitely. Air traffic has been increased, so number of aviation companies, frequent flights has been increased. So definitely, it is a growing industry, no doubt in that. Good choice, man. And also, I would say I'm not into marketing, but even I would very happy to say that you have chosen a right place also to do that. Because here in our college, we never hold back with giving academic information only from the books. A lot of practical experiences are going to be there. You're going to travel to many airports to learn things, see things practically. And even we are from the training team, we always come to train you people in your communicative abilities, in your body language, attitude, grooming, everything. So I think you have been in a right place here. So 3 years, you want to concentrate more and enjoy more. Both need to be in an equal ratio. I don't want you to sit and listen carefully. Maybe like for the past 1 or 2 days, for all the sessions, you have listened very carefully, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. But I would say don't listen too much rather than respond too much. That is better. Listen பண்ணிட்டே இருந்து we are not going to achieve anything. You need to respond. You need to react to it. Create a habit of that. That is what is the main attitude for your core industry. You need to be really outspoken. Don't hesitate to speak anything. Language we will develop. Don't worry. Language is just a language. It is not a knowledge. Okay. So that can be developed very easily. But attitude is something which you need to work on very much. Don't hide yourself. Don't hesitate to speak to a person. All these things you need to start doing. Know about the industry. And the session which you are talking now is about, actually it is about industrial awareness. So why I'm talking all these things are because if I talk about the technical things now, about your duties, like there are different locations in an airport. You might have been seen in an airport how the work is going on, but it is not like a company where a person can do all the work. They will be eligible for doing all the works, but there are different areas starting from ticket counters, then boarding pass issue areas, what to say, ramp work is there, BMA we call baggage makeup area, with the BMA is there. BMA is something where your luggages will be packed and your particular ticket number should be matching with that luggages so that you can receive the luggages in the destination airport. So that is called as baggage makeup area, that we call it as BMA. And arrival launch is there, where so some of the employees like you in future, there will be a designation allotted there where you will be receiving the customers, passengers, and checking all the needs which to be done. That is called as arrival launch. So there are different areas. So all these things, if I talk now, you will not understand things. So why I'm talking these things which I'm discussing now is because this is what is the basic which you need to have, because you're really a raw clay. You're fresh from your schools and you have been trained in all the areas, I believe, and starting from your ending from your schools and you're stepping into your career, like you have decided something, that is your college. So here I want you to be understanding the basics of your career, which is about improving your attitude in a right way. I think even Lawrence was speaking about it previous season. Mr. Lawrence were also speaking about that. Creating a right attitude. Attitude nariya irukku. There are a lot of attitudes. Even I was seeing someone in the chat box were telling like, sir, Tamil la pesunga sir appadina. Can I know who is that? I forgot the name actually. Hello, students?
Yes, sir.
See, no one is going to impose your fine, man. Who told that? Someone given in the chat box saying that, sir, Tamil pesing, sir, and someone typed in the chat box. Who was that? Okay, let it be. Okay, this is what I'm calling as attitude, because when something you have did, people are asking who are you, definitely you need to come out. That is what a complete attitude is all about. Okay, no problem. என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் தமிழ்ல பேசுறதுல தப்பே இல்லை. It is not wrong. English is a language, Tamil is also a language, Hindi is also a language. Language is something you need to understand when is the necessity of using that. To a person who doesn't know that language, you yourself going there and speaking to him that particular language, English தெரியாதவர்ட்ட, you know English very well, then you speak in English, what is the use? No use of you to learn that language or acquire some knowledge. Your attitude and your language, everything need to be imposed or applied when there is a necessity for that. English தெரியும். இப்ப உங்க கிளாஸ்ல இங்க இருக்கவங்க யாருக்குமே maybe like 149 people I'm having here, 150. Sorry, all the 150, if I believe you don't know English, but I know it very well. நான் பூரா இங்கிலீஷ்ல கிளாஸ் எடுத்து என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? No use. So language is just a tool for communication. Okay. One second, sorry. Thank you. சிரிக்கிற அளவுக்கு ஒன்றும் இல்லைமா, it is an incoming call. Don't worry. I have connected my data through my mobile, so it is on. It's an incoming call. Okay. But believe still it is a nice song, no?
Yes, sir. Nice ringtone.
Yes, sir. Sama song.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. So because technology. Yes, sure. Because I love a lot. Okay. So what we were speaking about, yes, language. Communication, a lot of us believe that it is about English. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have met lots in my training career, even when I was a career in a corporate, trainer in a corporate. அங்கேயும் the same thing happens. யாரையாவது பார்த்து are you good in communication அப்படின்னு சொன்னா உடனே the first reply will be இல்ல சார், நம்மளுக்கு அவ்வளவா இங்கிலீஷ் வராது சார். I did not ask you whether you know English or not. My question was very simple. Are you good in communication? Communication அப்படிங்கிறது it is just what to say, an action. Now if I want to close your eyes, bring sonna pode, meaning that it is close your eyes. If you can understand, then it is damn good you are in good communication. Yes, a tool for communication is not all about communication.
Yes, sir.
Language appadida, any language, it is a tool. No, Sarah, who is that? Yes, sir. Okay. Anyway, finally settle with someone, something, yes or no. Settle ஆங்க, no problem. Okay. See, why I'm telling that is, you need to create some attitude. When you talk about aviation industry, the main thing is attitude. Language, anga ponadukku apra passenger who is completely knowing Tamil, no one is going to kill you if you speak in Tamil. அவங்க பேசஞ்சருக்கு என்ன நெசசிட்டி, என்ன நீட் இருக்கோ, you need to clear that and you need to make them comfortable. ஒரு பேசஞ்சருக்கு இங்கிலீஷே தெரியல, நான் ஏவியேஷன்ல ஒர்க் பண்றேன், you go completely and talk to them, a very happy journey madam and how are you feeling today, are you okay with taking a boarding pass இப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா என்ன சொல்லுவான், இந்த ஃபிளைட்ல நான் வர்றதுக்கு நான் எங்கேயாவது கீழே விழுந்து சாகலாமா? Because you are not resolving the problem. So don't worry about English. Yes, it need to be there, we can develop it, because developing or learning a language is very, very, very simple. There are specific practice for that. If you do that, it will be very simple. But attitude, you need to work very hard. So please students, I want you people to carry out that attitude. இன்னும் சிம்பிளா ஒரே லைன்ல சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா, இவ்வளவு நேரம் நான் சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறமோ இன்னும் வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணாம இருக்கீங்க பாத்தீங்களா, that is not a good attitude. Amrita is laughing. ஆரம்பத்துல இருந்தால் வீடியோலயே இருக்கான், திருப்பி திருப்பி அதை பத்தியே தான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கான் அப்படின்னு. Okay, I can read your mind language, Amrita, but the problem is that is what is needed. See, நாளைக்கு aviation industry போனீங்கன்னா you are going to be working in an airport where there might be thousands of people. If you are receiving some appreciations, you need to receive there. If you have some debriefings, scoldings from your higher ups, it will be in that floor. எல்லாமே நடக்கும். You need to be in a right attitude to receive anything in a right angle. நம்மளுக்கு இது வரைக்கும் அந்த attitude கரெக்டா இருந்திருக்காது. That is what I was speaking to you in the beginning. நம்ம லேட்டா கிளாஸுக்கு வந்திருப்போம். ஏன்டா வெளியே நிக்கிறேன், அந்த ஆள் வெளியே அனுப்பிச்சிட்டான்டா. யாரு? ப்ரொஃபஸர் இல்ல ஸ்கூலா டீச்சர், அவரே வெளியே அனுப்புறாரு, அவருக்கு என்ன வேண்டுதலா? We have done some mistakes right from the beginning, so he might have been sent you out. நம்ம என்னைக்குமே நம்ம சைடுல இருக்கிற பிரச்சனையை பத்தி பேசவே மாட்டோம். We never do that. So start taking those responsibilities. Feel that whatever is happening, it is because of me. அதை எடுத்துக்க ஆரம்பிச்சோன்னா தான் you will be better in attitude. That is what is all about taking responsibility. Someone told here, I think Seen Rahul told that why I need this industry, why I like this industry, because I like to take responsibilities. That is a very good attitude. And the மாதிரி develop things with you. Be good in that. And things which is going to help you in this industry. We call they be like we should not be what to say, very open minded always. எல்லாத்துலயுமே there is a problem. Anything need to be at a level. தமிழ்ல ஒரு பழமொழி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அளவுக்கு மீறினா அமிர்தமும் நஞ்சுமாங்க. இங்கிலீஷ் we call it as too much of something is not good அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க சிம்பிளா. So all these things you need to have it in your mind. Attitude, I always speak about attitude, but that should be in a right limit. That we call it as right attitude. ஏன்னா ஆட்டிடியூட் நிறைய இருக்கு. ஹவாயம்னா that is not attitude. That is also called as attitude, but that is not good. You always need to have a right attitude within yourself to accept things, learn things. When you talk about aviation, now as I spoke to you for this time, aviation, you all have a glimpse of idea. Sir, aviation, many people told that, sir, aviation stress illa the job, sir. I'm not threatening you, but I'm giving you a very clear picture. You need to prepare yourself for any job, or else it will be a stress. இருக்கிறதுலே சிம்பிளான வேலை சும்மா இருக்கிறது தான், பட் அதுக்குமே ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும். If you are not practiced towards that, then it becomes a stress for you. So any job you need to have a rigorous and a related practice, and that practice is which I'm talking about. What to practice? What are all things which will enhance your domain, enhance your industry skills? Like starting with communication, patience, listening to people. இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். See, communication is not about speaking only. It is an equal part. If you take 100% communication, 50% relies on your speaking, 50% relies on your listening. And that too, when you be in a customer care, when you be in an airport job like this, first quality for you, first skill for you is about listening. ஒரு கஸ்டமர்கிட்ட ஒரு பேசஞ்சர்கிட்ட லிசன் பண்ணாதான் அவங்களுக்கு என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்னே தெரியும். இப்போ பேசஞ்சர் இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் இந்த போர்டிங் பாஸ் சீட் நம்பர் எங்க இருக்கு அப்படின்னா செக்இன் கவுண்டர்ல எல்லாமே சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா that is not the answer. You need to listen to them carefully and give them a right reply. All these things will matter a lot when you go for your interviews even. It ellame you learn. We have training programs continuously. We will be training. We will meet again, so no problems with that. But adukalla prepare yourself. I think this orientation program plan is really damn good, because we can be introduced to each other and you know what you are going to be. And another student in the last session, I could hear to them, sir, enga campus coming sir eppadi irukum appadina paakonu sir college appadina. That is also very good. But don't worry, ma'am, Swastika madam sonna mari, they might show you tomorrow. Kaamikilinalume have it as a surprise, man. Life always becomes very interesting when you have surprises. அது இல்லைன்னா it will not be very interesting. இப்போ நீங்க சொல்ற அந்த ஏவியேஷன் ஜாப் அப்படிங்கிறது after 3 years when I'm stepping into an airport அப்படிங்கிற அந்த சர்ப்ரைஸ் இருந்தாதான் it will be interesting for you to learn. ஃபர்ஸ்டே இப்போ உங்களை கூட்டு போய் இதெல்லாம் தான் ஏர்போர்ட் இப்படி தான் பண்ணுவாங்க, இஃப் யூ டூ மிஸ்டேக் இந்த மாதிரி திட்டுவாங்க எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டேன்னா யூ மைட் லூஸ் தட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். ஸோ கிவ் டைம் ஃபார் எவ்ரி திங், டோன்ட் ரஷ் ஃபார் எனிதிங், டேக் லைஃப் ஆஸ் இட் கம்ஸ் டு யூ அண்ட் ட்ரை டு பி 100% எவ்ரி டே. அதுதான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ட்ரை டு கிவ் யுவர் 100% every day. If that is possible, I think anything is possible. That is where the main area of your focus need to be. You don't worry about others. Even your exams, no, you could have been completed your +2 exams. Let me ask with Amrita. Amrita, what was your higher secondary score, ma? Exam score? +2.
77, sir.
What is it, ma? How much?
77, sir.
%77. Okay. Now I'll ask you a question. Did you wrote your exams to get only 77%?
No, sir.
For how much you wrote? What was your expectation? How much you wrote?
Above 80, sir.
Okay. A genuine answer. I appreciate it. Okay. So 80% was your aim and you have written for 80%. But granted is only 77. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்? ஒத்துக்க மாட்டேன்னு சொல்லிரலாமா? I wrote for 80, 77. I will not accept. Go. Give me 80%. Can you tell that? I think there is a small connectivity problem. We are getting a delay. Okay. So definitely that is not possible. So you have aimed and you have worked for 80%, but the reply or the response were 77%. For example, I'm telling, as Amrita told. So you need to take it up. That is what you always need to do. You give your 100%, but the person who is sitting before you or the reply or the response which is coming to you might not be 100%, but don't worry about it. Your exams, your interviews, everything is like that. Put your 100%. Whatever comes, don't worry about it. It is their headache. For me, I have given my 100%. In that, you need to be very strong. So, might be Amrita is telling that is 80% is her aim. But for her, that is 100%. ஏன்னா அவங்க பாதியில் விட்டுட்டு வர போறது இல்லை. 80% 100 தெரியும், 80 போதும். That is not the thing happen. Actually, for her, that 80 is 100%. But granted was 77. No problem in that. So I want you people to be like that. Your aviation industry, if now this moment when you are going to step into your studies and your education as an aviation graduate, I don't like to give much of information about aviation and make you troubled. Feel free, as you all you people believe that is a fabulous industry, and you're going to have a very fun-filled and informative 3 years when you're being in this college, and get used to it. Practically, you will be taken to places where you can have practical beginner courses like IATA, and there is another certification course which is called as LNT certification, we call, which will be like all the customer service agents. We call it as CSA in an aviation. All the CSAs mostly should be able to clear that LNT. LNT is not about last and two, bro. We call it as load and trim. Because a person who is giving that load and trim report to the pilot, they will decide how to balance the flight. How many passengers are there, where they are seated, how many sandbags need to be put in the belly of the flight, because all the flights might not be full. So to balance that, this is all technical things which will you come to learn. That is why I'm not telling all those things. Don't want to put into trouble speaking all those technical areas. So all these things will be very related to the industry. This is not like a study where you learn physics like gravity. No one has checked gravity, I think so. Can anyone jump from the third floor and check what is gravity? Not possible. Only thing maximum what you can do is you can put an apple down and say that this is what gravity is all about. But your aviation is not like that. You will learn everything practically and you need to do that. And I want you people to be prepared for it. Okay? And preparing yourself is okay. Is all about I'm talking is but try to accept all those things. Okay, and I think we have a time is 12 right turn a plan like this. So rest of about 15 minutes. I think we can I'm supposed to be ending the session by 12:15. Can I have a help? Vasuki madam, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
ஐயோ நான் பேசுறது மேடமே தூங்கிட்டாங்களா இருக்கு.
No, sir, I'm here.
Yes, madam. Madam, timing of the session, madam, until 12:15. Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Sorry. Okay. Can we take until 12:15, madam?
Okay, sir. Okay, we are ready, sir. Sir, you can continue your session, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Okay, madam. Thank you. Okay. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. I can hear you. Thank you, madam. Okay. And sir, students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Somebody have given an information to me in the chat box. We are happy to have for next 15 minutes. Yes, Janagan has given me the approval. 15 minutes எடுத்துக்கோ அப்படின்ட்டாரு. Thank you, Janagan.
Thank you, sir. நீங்க சூப்பரா பேசுங்க சார் நீங்க.
Okay, and now this last 15 minutes now, I will speak for about almost 1 hour. Okay. Now for the last 15 minutes, not only about what we have discussed. I don't say I have taken classes. We have discussed something. So in the last 15 minutes, which is going to be we are having now. So I want you people to ask some questions to me. It might be anything. Like if நம்ம பேசுனத பத்தியா இருக்கலாம், about your industry, because I've been working in the industry, so about your industry இருக்கலாம், or இதெல்லாம் related இல்லாம something out of this box, anything I'm okay with that. But I want you people to ask some questions so that I can clear about that. I always do this in my sessions.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Students, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, when is the session complete?
I think there is a problem in the connectivity. Wait. It will connected. No problem. Please wait. No. It's not complete.
Excuse me, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello. Hello.
Students, wait for some time. I think sir has left the meeting due to some network issue. So hope he will join soon. Just wait for a moment.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Sorry, it was a technical problem from my side.
Hello.
Sorry. Yes. Yes, yes, come on.
Yes, sir. Audible. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good.
Audible,
Yes, I'm
sir.
waiting for your questions, my dear friends.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
Sir, what is the difference between BBA Airline and Airport Management and BSc Aeronautical Science?
both are mostly same, sir. Okay. The difference between both the things are BSc Airline Science people. யார் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க? என்ன இல்ல.
இங்க இல்ல சார் அங்க.
ஓகே, அப்புறமா வந்து தொடச்சு தரேன்னு சொல்லிருமா. யாரெல்லாம் திட்டிட்டு இருக்காங்க, மரியாதையா தொடச்சிரு. ஓகே. Right. Okay. Okay. See, BSc Airline Science, Aero Science, you will have a paper additional, which is almost like a mathematical paper. And BBA Aviation will not have that. Both the difference might be like you, BSc Aero Science people might be a bit eligible for what I told, those LNT, all those things. BBA Aviation is also equally having all the eligibilities, but the difference is the subject is the difference. They might learn a paper extra towards the mathematical areas of that. That's the main difference, not much of difference in that.
Hi, sir. I am Asha.
Yes, madam.
Sir, aviation is my passion, sir. But my neighbor is
Okay.
saying for girls is not good.
உங்க neighbor தானமா?
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
No, I can hear you, madam. The person who is telling that is a neighbor only, no?
Yes, sir. My neighbor is saying it's not good for girls.
The better idea is please change your house.
அவனுங்க அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவாங்க.
Okay. Very good, Jeffrey. Actually, Jeffrey is right. Can I see? I would say this is. See, I would say for girls it is a very nice job. Do you know what is the reason?
Hello, sir.
Hello, Asha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes. Okay, I'll complete with Asha. Asha, madam, see, why I am telling your neighbor solradala utruga, don't listen to him, because I don't have any differences. It is called as gender biased among. I don't feel any difference between boys or girls. At present, no job is like this. Girls panna mudiyada job அப்படினு எதுமே கிடையாது. Everything people, madam, there are women in army. There are women pilots. So there is no job which is called as it is meant for men, this is meant for women. And that too, coming back to aviation, whenever you feel like customer relations, I would always feel girls as one additional point in that, because namal eppume ponnu sonna ketukom. So I think that is a better option for girls to have an aviation job. It is very suitable for you. Don't worry or listen about your neighbor. What you have done is very good. If you are very much passionate about your industry and your career, start working. That's all. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. And
Sir,
yes.
good morning, sir. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi, Ben. Good morning. Varadarajan. Yes, Varadarajan.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, I want to become an airport manager. What can I do for it, sir? I am taking
You
AME
need to
in.
complete this course.
Sir, I am taking AME in engineering, sir.
Okay.
It's okay for it?
No problem, man. 100% okay. At least you are learning something about airport or aviation. See, I have joined in aviation after completing my MBA Finance.
Okay, sir.
You don't believe. See, I'll tell you a real-time example. When I was there for an interview to Paramount Airways, there were about 200 candidates for that interview. And 199 candidates were from aviation industry. They've learned aviation. And I was the only odd man out.
Okay, sir.
And you know how will be an interview. And the interview hall, 199 people were sitting with blazers, grooming, everything. Over the file about their certificates and everything. And I went with a resume. I was there with a normal pant and shirt. And I got a job where they selected customer service agents and customer relations agent. So customer relations agent are supposed to be handling a team of customer service agents. All those aviation learned people were working under me in Paramount.
Okay, sir.
Why? Because it is about attitude and as seen Rahul said, no, about taking responsibilities.
Responsibilities.
So don't worry about it. Yes, don't worry about it. Take responsibility and learn well, practice well.
Okay, sir.
You will get job. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
But Varadarajan, one minute, you will not get a job as airport manager. No chance. You need to enter into the aviation as a basic level employee. Then you can grow yourself working there.
Okay, sir.
Man. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, man. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, airport kulla endha job sir DGC exam clear பண்ணிருக்கணும்.
Sorry, I don't have an information at present. Definitely I'll get back to you. ஏன்னா நான் தப்பான இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் எப்பயும் கொடுக்க கூடாது. I don't have an answer for this question, sir. Sorry for that. But definitely I'll get back to you with an answer. Okay.
Hi, sir. Sir, உங்களோட கான்டாக்ட் நம்பர் chat boxல தாங்க சார்.
ATC.
Hello.
My contact number. Anytime. One minute. I'll give my contact number.
Can we have your contact number in chat box?
Given, sir. Done.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi,
and
sir.
It is like, and that one is like a customer care. 24/7. You can call me at any time. If I don't get the call.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry for delay.
Sir, I take this industry for my passion, sir. I love to work in aviation industry, sir. So
Very
what
good.
do you think when you first join in an aviation industry, sir? And now what do you think about this industry, sir?
To be frank, I never tell lies without use, madam. Okay. So if you want to be myself, I'm true. When I joined the aviation company, I felt what I felt was that was my real experience. But later on, not too much of delay, within or 10-15 days time, then I felt how good this job is.
Yes, sir.
And now I feel why I left that profession actually. And I left that profession because Paramount Airways, they closed their service. And I got a job with Kingfisher Airways, but the problem is it was in Bangalore, so I could not travel. So I left that industry. Other than that, I was very passionate about aviation industry and I was very happy in that. And I am very sure everyone here will be very happy being in that industry as a career.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. And see, Rahul, you are trying to ask me something.
My God. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, what is the difference between AME and AMT?
AME and AMD. I think if some of our staff members in this session, they might help you, Rahul.
Okay, sir.
I'm not provided with that information. And Rahul, I think, can everyone see Rahul now? He's already looking like a pilot.
Yeah,
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
sir. Boom at the point.
ஏர்ஃபோர்ஸ் ஒன் படம் பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்குமா? வெரி குட்.
சார்
ஓகே.
எனக்கு வந்து உண்மையிலே பைலட் ஆகணும் தான் சார் ஆசை.
So anybody else comment? Yes.
சார் ஆனா
ஆயிருவோம், டோன்ட் வரி.
ஆனா ஒரு இதனால இப்ப ஏஎம்இல சேர்ந்திருக்கேன். ஏன்னா எங்க அண்ணனும் ஏஎம்இல தான் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க கத்தார் ஏர்வேஸ்ல. அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா ஏஎம்இ முடிச்சிட்டு நீ பைலட் பண்ணு அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க.
Yes, that is very good. See, நம்ம ஒரு பைக் ஓட்டுறோம் அப்படின்னா பைக் திடீர்னு ஸ்பார்க்ல கட் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா you need to know why the bike is not running.
Yes sir.
அந்த மாதிரி ஏஎம்இ முடிச்சிட்டு when you are being a pilot, it is an added advantage, man. Definitely you can do that. Yes, someone here, someone asked me a question. Who's
Hello,
that?
Sir. Sir, why don't students don't prefer this course mostly, sir? You say this
Because they don't know about this course.
Sir, it's luxurious job all you say, no, sir.
Very simple. Yes, Vishnu, என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் அப்படின்னா see, lot of our students doesn't see about what are all the opportunities or industries there are to work. Plus 2 முடிச்சனே ஒண்ணா இன்ஜினியர் இல்ல டாக்டர், ரெண்டு இல்லையா ஆர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் சயின்ஸ். This is something become as an habit. But I am very happy about you people that you people have had a different thought process and you have taken an initiative to take a course like this. It is very good. There are a lot of courses like this. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம break பண்ணி வந்தாதான். See, not a, there are many domains and many industries, many career are there. So இந்த மாதிரி break பண்ணி you need to think. And what you people have done is very good.
Thank you.
Mariam, yes Mariam.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, எனக்கு வந்து எம்ஏ வர்க் பண்றோம் இந்த.
Yes Mariam, tell me.
So அதுக்கு நமக்கு என்ன கேப்பபிலிட்டி வேணும்னு கேக்குறேன்.
என்னமா? புரியல. Your voice is breaking. What do you want to become? Emirates, huh?
I want to work in Emirates.
You want to work in Emirates?
சாய் உங்க மைக்ல இருந்து இது வருது வாய்ஸ் சம்திங்.
Mariam, I could not understand what you are asking, ma.
Sir, எனக்கு
நீங்க என்னமோ புதுசா ஒரு லாட்டின் லாங்குவேஜ் பேசுற மாதிரி இருக்கு. கட்டாய் அப்படிதான் கேக்குது மேடம்.
No sir, can you hear me?
Now I can hear you. Tell me.
Yes, எனக்கு
Madam, pressure. You type the question in chat box. I will reply.
Okay.
You type the question in chat box. That would be better. ரெண்டு பேத்துக்கு தெரிஞ்ச லாங்குவேஜா இருக்கும். No problem. Yes, any other questions, ma?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
சார் உங்களோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பத்தி பேச முடியுமா? ஜாப்
அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் எடுக்கற எல்லாரும் சார். What in which job? About aviation.
Yes sir.
Aviation experience was very Nagarajan. Very good. The same was Nagarajan is also asking. Nagaraj, wait a minute, Nagarajan. Mariam has given me the question. It is like the question என்னன்னு பார்த்துட்டு வந்துடலாம். Very good. I want to work in Emirates Airlines.
Tell me about
so that what capability do I need to? Okay, 2 minutes. Kana, I think there is some background noises. Can you adjust that?
Yeah.
Somebody's mic is switched on. Sai, unga mic enna nenikiren. Sai, mute. Mic mute பண்ணுங்கமா. எவ்வளவு அமைதியா இருக்கு. அப்ப சாய் சரியான சவுண்ட் பார்ட்டி ஆட்றது. Okay. See, Mariam, when you talk about Emirates. Emirates doesn't hold any special things about aviation. They are also an international aviation company. No special things are there. Only one special thing which I might know is Emirates always look for experienced candidates. So if you could have some domestic airlines experiences, and whenever I want you people to be having a very good connection with LinkedIn profiles, create a LinkedIn profile and put your profile in that, and always try to be surfing that. And on WhatsApp, Facebook, if you spend time on your LinkedIn, you might get a lot of contacts, people related to that industry, so you can grow yourself very well. Okay, so when you get a job in a domestic industry, and then whenever there is an opportunity, try to pitch into Emirates. It is always good, and there is not any special requirement. All the aviation needs the same requirements. It might be starting from Deccan or Jet Airways or SpiceJet until Emirates or Lufthansa. The process and the profile is very same. Might be uniforms, might be different. And domestic and industry, international flights, there might be a small changes in their working procedures, but more or less it is same. Everywhere you need to take care of the customer. That's it. Passenger even. Okay. And I got some more questions which was very long. And Nagarajan, towards answering your question now, you asked me something about my experience in my aviation industry. I would say in one line, which is enjoyable, because I never felt that is a stressful job. If you enjoy any job, that will be grateful. And aviation, main thing is you will be meeting a lot of new people, celebrities, mostly celebrities you can see. The mari chinna chinna vishayangal will keep you active in the aviation industry. You can talk to them, you can maintain a very good rapport with them. Even see, I'm a very huge fan of Kamal sir actually. I'm a great follower of Kamal sir. And when I was in Paramount Airways, it gave me a very big opportunity for me. Even once I went to Kamal sir's home. So all these things, you know, you will get very good contacts. Even in the beginning, what is his name? Jagan? No. I forgot, man.
Janagan, sir.
Janagan, sorry. Thank you for remembering. Janagan. What Janagan told is like, I want to become a millionaire. So I would say his contact, when he is working in aviation, no, he might meet a lot of business people. See, so சாதாரணமான aviation airport flight use பண்றது ரொம்ப கம்மி. So always there will be a high class business circle will be there. You will be having a regular customer with your company in which you are working. So all these contacts will help you a lot. So idalana things which will keep you very active in the work culture when you are in the airport. So I think that is enjoyable. Now, I enjoyed a lot. Even I would say that is a very good time of my life when I was in aviation.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And Geeta has posted me a question like, girls are naturally being calm and oh, it's an information, right? Thank you, Geeta. That is what even I was speaking. Naturally, girls are called to be like very good and patient. Okay. சில விஷயங்களை நடக்கிறதுல don't want to discuss about it. Okay. Yes, are we done with the session? Okay, I think அதுக்கப்புறம் எல்லாம் chat போயிட்டு இருக்கு. We don't need to worry about it. Okay, and give some info. Cabin crew. Okay, and cabin crew is an in-flight job, and there is not any specific study for it. Even if you can practice that. But for that, again, you need to be fit to travel, and there are specific trainings for that. When you complete your course, take up those training, and definitely you can be a cabin crew. And again, there is again the same ball in the court, but it is about customer care, passengers care. When you are handling a flight in a terminal, in an airport, doing ground handling, all these things, cabin crew will be a much more difficult job, because you are going to be traveling with the passenger for the long time, and any plus and minus with the passengers, you need to take care of it, and you need to give them a comfortable feeling in whatever position they are. So they might be in different mindsets, so you need to make them calm, and these are things which is very critical in this industry. But you will be learning all those things. You will be comfortable in doing all those things. No problem.
So what are you teaching in college once
Okay.
again?
Sir, you look like Kamal, actor Kamal. Okay, thank you very much. It's a compliment for me. I'm teaching. I'm not teaching actually. I don't call my profession as teaching. I discuss with students. That's it. I'm into soft skill training for our NGA students, and I do soft skill training for them to take part better and participate better in the placements. So I do take care of them. Whenever I'm into the classes or sessions, I make sure that even now I'm not trying anything to teach you. Because I'm not a teacher, I'm a trainer, so I'm here to discuss with you. It's not like a giving session, it is giving and taking. Even I can learn many things. See, Janagan has given me a very good hint today. See, when you are in a job, don't concentrate only in getting a salary. Focus more. Try to become a businessman. That is also a very good thought process. Thank you, Janagan, for that.
Thank you, sir.
All these things are very good from your side. The people are very good. And I think I'm taking too much of time of yours. It's going to be 12:30. So I know you people will be hungry. Net to over.
Very
Okay.
interesting.
Somebody has
No
gone
problem, sir.
there,
No problem.
complete with their data pack. Okay. Thank you very much for your patience and time to listen to me and discuss with me. And looking forward very eagerly to work with you people in the upcoming sessions. Let us all pray for this pandemic to get over very soon. And let us all meet in the campus where you're going to have 3 years of time. So all the best for you people. Thank you very much for being with me for this.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
Thank you so much.
It's a good inspirational speech,
Students,
sir.
please wait.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. And students, don't leave the session. Might be some instructions for you, so don't leave the session. Varadarajan, can you
So
approach
thank you, Varun sir.
Mike?
Thank you, Arun sir. That was such an interesting session. Actually, we are all very happy to have you with us today. The way you handled the session was amazing. Actually, all these days we kept on telling them to mute their video and audio, but today it was just a vice versa, sir. It's quite to see the happy faces. Actually, they're all really enjoying, and today their response was really awesome.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you. Thank you for the.
So thank you so much.
Actually,
for
even
the
I used to
fun
tell that, madam. The students are very good. I'm happy to have them as in the session, madam. They are very interactive and they are very good.
Yes, sir. Actually, today their response was awesome, really. So thank you so much for the fun-filled session. You just nailed today's show, sir. Thank you so much. And we are expecting to have you in our campus soon. Now?
Yeah, anytime, madam. I'll be there for doing all those things. And even thank you very much for the opportunity given to me, madam. Thank you.
Once again, sir. Now I request Commander S. Vijay Prakash, Assistant Professor,
Yes.
BSc and BBA, Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences for the felicitation address. I welcome you, sir.
Good afternoon. Am I audible? Good afternoon.
Yes, sir, you're audible. You can
Yes, sir.
proceed,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Our head of department, staff members, and my dear students. On the outset, I would like to thank Mr. Arun Kumar, trainer, Nehru Corporate Placement and Industrial Relationship, for giving a very interesting, interactive, and informal talk on industry awareness. Also, we are thankful to him because he has clarified all the doubts raised by the students related to aviation industry. After your graduation, you will be looking forward a lucrative job from the industry. Therefore, it is essential to know more about the industry and their requirements. Then only you can prepare yourself and make yourself suitable for the industry, specifically aviation industry. While undergoing your graduation, you all will be focusing on your academics. Simultaneously, you have to develop your skill. Further, you have to identify your weakness and try to rectify it before leaving the college. It is nice, everyone has a goal. Remember, there is no alternative to hard work. Hard work only will help you to achieve your goal. I thank all those involved in making this program a great success. I would like to extend our thanks to MOC team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Sir, thank you very much. Arun sir, wonderful session. More interactive. Students are very much enjoyed. Very good, sir. Lot of people, they want to contact you in person. Okay,
Thank you,
okay.
sir.
Very good, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you all
definitely.
students.
Anytime, sir. Anytime, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you all students. Thank you for your good
Thank you, sir.
responses. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Again,
Thank you, sir.
yes,
Thank
yes.
you, sir.
Bye, bye. Bye, students.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank
See
you.
soon.
Bye.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you all.
Sir, one last doubt. Arun Kumar, sir.
Our class got elevated, sir.
If anybody is having any doubt, you can contact you. He has given the mobile number.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
students,
Okay,
you can
sir.
contact him
Thank you,
over phone.
sir.
Okay,
Sir has given his mobile number. At any time you can contact.
Okay, Tata.
He will be
Thank you,
very
sir.
nice to explain you. Okay. Thank you. Thank